Ugh, I don't want to be here. What's so cool about manufacturing anyway?
I'll tell you what's so cool. Come with me. Cue the montage. Today, we're here at Stockwell at Elastomerics to learn about gaskets.
What even is a gasket?
Let's find out. Can you tell us what a gasket is?
A gasket basically just protects a piece of equipment from water, air, dust.
That's cool, I guess.
Gaskets found in so many daily objects. A water bottle, a phone, a boat, a car, even in spaceships.
Ugh, why are gaskets in everything?
Here, I'll show you how. Step 1. Stockwell receives a request from a customer. They want a gasket. How do you determine the material of the gasket?
For example, this is a gasket that goes into space and is used in between stages of a rocket. The requirements on this might be different than another part. A part like this, which is used in a airport scanning technology.
Step 2. Manufacturing engineering works with production to develop the best production process of making the part.
A manufacturing engineer finds the most effective way to design and build the requested gasket.
Step 3. Rubber material is gathered to produce the part. Or lamination puts the rubber adhesive to help the part stick when used. Step 5. Using the water jet machine, cut the part to the proper shape as requested by the customer. Step 6. The flash cutter machine also cuts the part to proper shape. Step 7. And our final step. Our gasket is packaged. He can now do whatever he desires. The little things make a big difference.
Even be in a rocket?
He could even be a rocket.
That's really cool.
It's time to go.
No, I don't want to go. I need to learn more about gaskets.
But my job here is complete. You have to.
No.
Ugh, I don't want to be here. What's so cool about manufacturing anyways?
We can tell you. Cue the montage.